If you hate a convenient way to detox your body, this video is not for you. Your very own sweet mustard green juice. Pears act as an aid in your detox, giving you a healthy digestive system with antioxidants, vitamin A, C, and K, giving you just what you need. Lastly, keeping you feeling hydrated. Cucumbers are made of 95% water, which is why it is a true hydrator, also containing vitamin C and K. For your overall water components and fiber, go with cucumber. When life gives you lemons, go ahead and make the sweet mustard green juice now that you have the recipe. Lemon acts as a natural detoxifier, working for your liver. Right now what I'm doing is cutting away the outer peel of the lemon. We don't want the outer peel of the lemon in our sweet mustard green juice. If we left it in, it'll make our juice too citrusy, and we don't want that. We want the inside where our juices are to overall boost our immunity. Okay. Our crown jewel are mustard greens. Of course, our mustard greens are sourced fresh and local right here from our Farmer Brown garden. Our mustard greens are loaded with antioxidants, giving you that glucosinolates. Also good to regulate and maintain our low sugars. If you're somebody who is worried about low calories, no problem. Our sweet mustard green juice is just for you. When putting your wellness first, we aim to pack plenty of rich vitamins and minerals in our juices, which is why cantaloupe has good vitamins as well, A and C, and additional to water content. Cantaloupe contributes to overall hydration necessary for that detoxification. So now what you see, we're cutting our cantaloupe in half, scooping out those seeds, where this gives you an opportunity to reuse your seeds and keep your garden going. From Farmer Brown & Co., we're here to let you know that juicing is not as difficult as it sounds or looks. Put our cantaloupe over to the side, and our cantaloupe is next into our blender or juicer of your choice. At Farmer Brown & Co., nothing goes to waste. Our excess fruit or our outer sides that we no longer use, pulp, anything that is not used into our juice, definitely goes to our chickens. Now what we are doing is adding our cantaloupe juice to our strainer. If you are in dire need for a detox, no worries, because here at Farmer Brown & Co., we have your sweet mustard green detox juice ready and available for you. And if you need your juice in a quick and a hurry, we do deliver to our Houston, Sealy, and surrounding areas. When life gives you mass produce, what do you do with it? You make cold pressed juice. I want to give you a tip when using a blender. You want to be sure to leave some of your liquefied juices in your blender. It'll help you blend everything else really easy. We add a thumb of ginger, which has a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect, cleansing your digestive system, removing the toxins from your body, while boosting your metabolism, supporting weight loss. This is exactly what you want. Feel free to add as much or less ginger as you want. Oh, I need to put some of that juice in there. Yeah, hold on. Let me put some of that juice in there real quick. Whew, my underarm's sweating. As I mentioned early in the video, make sure you have some liquid from your juice at the bottom to help you blend everything together. Now, if you made it this far in the video, you have the full recipe to make your very own sweet mustard green juice. And guess what? We also deliver to your door. So if you need that detox really quick, no worries. Give Farmer Brown a call at 682-308-4477 and we'll deliver right to you, Houston, Sealy, and surrounding areas. Now let's get to blending. Sweet mustard green, sweet mustard green, sweet mustard greens. I found that if you sing wise, blend it up, it's gonna taste really good. That's fine. Hey, we are a black company that should have some rhythm. Now look at that. You can smell that fresh earth, that fresh earth smell, packed with vitamin A and C and K, with antioxidants. What was that word I said earlier? Glucosinolate. We gotta break it down in syllables. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So now from here, we're back to our strainer. It is time to pour our crown jewel sweet mustard greens into our juice. I promise this sweet mustard green juice, this detoxifier right here, it is what you need. From this point, we have gotten all of our juices. We have a pink canteen and a funnel to make sure we don't miss any drops. We're just gonna pour that in. Ooh, sounds pretty good. Shake what Mother Earth gave you. That fresh nutrients, that fresh, sweet mustard green juice. Whew. Here comes the fun part. Now I want to help make your wellness effortless too. Now you have the very own Farmer Brown & Co. sweet mustard green juice. And if you comment juice in the comments, we'll give you 5 cold pressed juice recipes that you can try yourself. Let's go ahead and pour up this baby. All right, ready? Let's slow it. And there you have it, folks. Your very own sweet mustard green juice.